So I never thought the day would come that somebody would make a travel case for a bike as big as mine. I have a 62 centimeter Madone, and it has a set of AeroBars on the front, which makes it overly large. And I've always had to disassemble this bike to travel with it, particularly because I have a 55 tooth front crank. And the problem with that is with the integrated seat mast, the height of the bike is just too high. So I'm going to just open this up so you can see how little disassembly I had to do to be able to pack this bike. These are battens as you would have on a sailboat, and just by pulling them I can open the case. You heard the Velcro. There's Velcro here that keeps the case from being compressed. So anyway, there's the bike. Comes with 2 wheel bags. I have them strapped in, but ultimately I didn't have to take AeroBars off or anything. Only thing I had to take off from the front is the pads that go across, because they were just a little too wide for the way that the case comes up and comes together. And ultimately, yeah, I left the crank on. You have to take the pedals off just so it's not too wide and so that it doesn't have a misinteraction with the wheels. But yeah, I'm extremely pleased that my 62 centimeter Madone fits in this bike case.